This is Brian with SWS. Thank you for watching. Today I'm going to show you how to arm your system in the Away mode. To arm Away, simply hit the Away button, your 4-digit code, and the Enter button.
User 1.
So now you'll hear a series of beeps that should last about 60 seconds, giving you enough time to exit the door. We're going to let this clock down to the end so you can see in real time what actually happens. At this time, you should already be outside of your premise, and now the alarm is set. When you re-enter the house,
Enter your code, followed by enter to turn off.
you'll have 30 seconds to turn off your code.
Enter your code, followed by enter to...
Press your 4-digit code followed by enter, and that will disarm your system. Thanks for watching. This is SWS.